Hey, we got the SHIELDPRO drill brush attachment set. Comes with two big brushes, two of these. These are almost like a toilet brush type thing. A couple like medium-sized brushes, and then it comes with two small brushes. These fit right into your drill, just like a drill bit would. There's a ton of things you can do with these, but right here I'm cleaning the grout in my kitchen. The small brush here does a great job hitting the grout lines. And to show you the difference it made, on the right side here is where I used the brush already, and on the left side here is the uncleaned grout. I also like to use this in the shower. This does a great job of getting the gunk and grime out of corners and tough to clean areas in there. I think these brushes do a great job cleaning tough to clean, tedious areas. I'm pretty happy with the quality to price ratio. And I also like that it comes with two of each size brush.